Hello, in front of me I've got Hator Skyfall 65. In this video I'll show you how to manage keyboard shortcuts. To manage keyboard shortcuts, press and hold Fn button. Then press button from 1 to end of this line. Each of this button is the special function. For example, display brightness up, down, calculator, my PC, and more. If you want to factory reset your keyboard, press and hold Fn plus X. And if you want to enter settings of the menu of the keyboard, press Fn plus knob. And that's basically it. Full list of all keyboard features you can find in the user manual. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.